Next to me, you'll see two different kinds of lights. We have our A lights and our B lights. Our A lights, not so powerful. Our B lights, a lot more so. What we're trying to figure out is, do microgreens actually need a lot of light to do well? The results surprise us a ton. The test is really simple. Use the same seed, use the same soil. The one difference is the lights. Which plants perform better? So to demonstrate the difference in the power of the lights, I have a little app that helps measure these things. So on these guys, we get about 3,000 lumens, which is pretty low. On these guys, I'm getting about 10,000 lumens. So it's a pretty drastic difference. I measured the app with the sun and direct sunlight, and it got about 60,000 lumens one day. This is where things started to get a little interesting for us. We noticed on the cheap lights, the leaves have a lot smaller of a leaf structure, and they're a lot more stretched out because they're stretching to get more light. With these guys, the leaf structure is way better, much larger, much happier looking, and these guys aren't as tall. It means they're not stretching out as much, just a much happier looking plant. So on the better lights, the plants looked way happier, but this wasn't even the most interesting thing. After we finished growing the plants out and we harvested them, we left them in our walk-in cooler for about 2 weeks. Then we checked them out. The plants that were under the good lights looked pretty good. You wouldn't know that they were 2 weeks old, but the plants under the cheaper lights, they were not so happy. We did some research on what happens with plants under better lights and how they produce. And what we learned was plants that get better light produce more sugar. And sugar for plants is like fat for humans, how we store energy. So if a plant has more sugars, and after we cut it and package it, it's going to survive a lot longer. So it actually benefits us in the shelf life when we put the plants under better lights. Plants that have a better shelf life also mean that they're more nutritious because they just haven't died. So it's really important to grow plants on better lights.